Welcome to Mechanical and Electrical Building Services. In this module, we will be identifying and discuss the mechanical and electrical engineering systems. Pioneering in the current trend in the Philippines construction industry, DMCI have engaged into EPC contracts, or commonly known as design and build projects. In typical projects, owners hire project management consultants who will oversee the construction implementation of the projects by the general contractor. In this setup, evidently, the interests of the general contractor inadequately protected since the consultants favor the interests of the owner in times of conflicting interest. On the other hand, in an EPC contract, the EPC contractor, now in charge of the engineering, procurement, and construction phase of the project, directly reports to the owner, increasing the opportunity for the contractor to protect its interests. This expansion of the contract requires additional resource and expertise from the contractor. For a construction company like DMCI, it should beef up its capability in adhering to the requirements of an EPC project. Though there are consultants who can be hired for the job, DMCI as the EPC contractor should learn how to evaluate suggestions, recommendations being given by the consultant, especially in mechanical and electrical systems in building structures. Hence, this module is a good start to equip you in gearing towards this new era of contracting. And also because of this change in our company's directive, it is ideal for you to know and understand the totality of what your company does. Most especially the engineers, you should be willing to learn new things and widen your area of involvement. All must realize the need in finding a total solution through integration of M&E systems into architectural and structural systems. May you be a civil engineer or a new mechanical or electrical engineer. Again, welcome to M&E Building Services module. In this module, we will be discussing the M&E engineering systems existing in building structures as follows: electrical power system, lighting system, ventilation and air conditioning system, plumbing, drainage, and associated systems, and fire protection systems, together some safety installation issues.